Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Ebates credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Ebates credit card, open up a web browser. In the search box at the top, type in Ebates credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. Your Ebates credit card is issued by Signin Bank, so let's click on this first link that says Signin, which will take you to the login area from where you can log in and get access to your credit card account. Now, go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box appearing on the left hand side of the screen and head over to the password field and type in your password. Double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon or the show link. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, click on this remember user ID box, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device for your security. In case you've forgotten your user ID or your password, click on I forgot my user ID or password and follow the instructions to look for them. Once you enter all of your credentials correct and you'd like to log in, click the secure login button, and that is how you should be able to get access to your Ebates credit card account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.